Hi, I'm Graphene. All of you do know about the fields where I am used, right? I am used for second battery electrode, supercapacitor electrode, and solar cell electrode as well. There's more! I also play an active role in airplanes and cars' body parts, multifunctional coating for vessels, mobile phones, and fry pans. Oh, and there's a spaceship! I also take center stage of the biotech and display industry. Of course, I am also widely used in all sorts of electronic devices. Stronger, lighter, more flexible, and faster. This is why they call me the golden boy of future industry. Well now, don't you want to know how I will become even more special at Standard Graphene? To make use of me in the energy field, you will need to go through these steps. But in Standard Graphene, you can shorten the process dramatically. You will be able to meet me in a shorter cycle time and in a more cost-effective way. Especially when I am applied for a lithium battery, you will witness an outstanding high performance with such a simple method. In the display sector, you can make flexible display substrate from solution containing me using self-assembly method. It is a simpler method. Shall we take a look at the biotech field? The biggest problem in today's telemedicine lies at the electrode attached to a patch which receives patient's biosignal. When I jump into this electrode, it will drastically reduce the electric resistance, which in turn will deliver patient's biosignal to a doctor more clearly than ever. It is a revolution in telemedicine indeed. At Standard Graphene, I am doing an awesome job in self-sensing system. You can get an accurate, real-time monitoring of trouble spots if you apply me on planes or oil pipelines. Think about how much cost and time you will save. Wait, there's many more. I am also very effective in noise reduction. If I am used in sound-absorbing material, which currently uses polyurethane, traveling by airplane will become so much more comfortable and enjoyable. The daily necessities around us also desperately need me. You know, you feel as if you were hurt when your phone, pots, or cars get scratched. And that's when you should think of me. Standard Graphene did such a great job making me that you don't need to worry about your valuable things getting damaged. I heard CFRP became a popular material for the body of airplanes recently. Still, it is so thick and heavy that the plane will consume a great amount of fuel. On the contrary, I can make CFRP even thinner and lighter, which will bring higher fuel efficiency. One of the main causes of low fuel efficiency is the airplane container, right? They are usually made with aluminum, but it is a different story if I step in. It will only weigh 1/3 as much and can even be folded into a smaller piece. When you load a ship with airplane containers, their volume matters more than weight. Shipping costs can be hugely saved if you can fold them. Imagine what can happen when I am added to ink to produce an automobile using a 3D printer. With the same amount of fuel, the car which chose me will run much further. You ask why? 'Cause I'm lighter. Let's say I was used in a car tire. You can save on repair time in a car racing game where even 1/10 of a second becomes a big deal. I think we all know who's going to win. Aircraft tires need to be replaced normally after 5 flights. I will make it much longer lasting. Why? Because I can fight the friction. Here comes great news for military cars, VIP cars, and supercars. When I am used for a fuel tank, there is no need to worry about an explosion or fire after a car crash. Why? You know, I am that strong. It's true. The real point here is that I too can be of use to the environment. So many people drink polluted water, but did you know that millions die from it? Muddy water all around, but when united with graphene, not only is it purified to crystal clear drinking water, it also has the power to remove arsenic from polluted groundwater. If you wish to save the lives of children who suffer from polluted water, don't forget me. Don't forget, standard graphene. If you wish for a higher quality, shorter production period, lower cost, and most importantly, if you cherish our Earth suffering from pollution and resource exhaustion, you should be with standard graphene. Standard graphene.